Someone asked for a 1 lakh rupees gaming PC, so let's build a beast. CPU, Ryzen 5, 5600, 12,000 rupees, crazy value for gaming. Motherboard, B550, 8,000 rupees, solid and reliable.
RAM, 8 GB times 2 DDR4. 14,000 Indian rupees. Smooth gameplay. Multitasking ready.
Storage, 1 terabyte NVMe SSD, 15,000 rupees, super fast load times. Now, the main part, GPU, RTX 3078 gigabytes. Beast for 1080p and even 1440p gaming. Perfect value under 30,000 rupees. PSU 550 watts bronze, 4,000 rupees, gets the job done. Cabinet, 3,000 rupees, decent airflow setup. We still had budget left, so we upgraded it. Better cooling and a premium GPU variant. Final result, a true 1 lakh rupees gaming setup. What game are you playing first?